Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Victorinox Swiss Army knife. And this one is the Victorinox Rancher. Now, this is the 93mm, and you'll see it listed as like the Pioneer Rancher. And it's a 93mm Alox scale Swiss Army knife. This one being one of the corporate ones. And it feels like a pretty decent sized knife. Now this one has the small pruning blade, and it's got the large Swiss Army knife blade. I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but it almost snapshot on me just then, which was a little bit unsettling because these things are super sharp. So that's one thing I always wondered about. I always wondered about what age you should get someone a Swiss Army knife. Because if you watch as I slowly close this, there's a point where it snaps shut. So, anyway, I don't know. So, you got the pruning blade. You have the large flathead screwdriver and bottle opener, which I don't hate, because a Swiss Army knife is probably the only thing on your person that should have a bottle opener. And it's got the little nub thing that they claim is a wire stripper. And I've had people in the comments tell me that I'm an idiot and just don't know how to use it, but I feel like it's still, like, I want more from my wire stripper. And then you have the all reamer blade. Do y'all ever actually use this blade? I'm kind of curious about that one, because I mean, most of the Swiss Army knives have it. Most of the the 91mm ones, they'll have it on the back as one of the rear tools, like this one. And this one has it as one of the main tools, well, because it doesn't have any back tools. But I mean, like, how much do y'all actually use this? I don't think I've ever used mine except to cut myself. So, I don't know. I mean, like, maybe for whittling? Is that one of those things where it's like, it comes in really handy for whittling? I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you do actually use this particular blade. Anyway, it's not a bad little knife. I feel like it has a decent amount going for it. I don't know. Anyway, I'll include links in the description where you can find this on Amazon. And also I'll include a link to the Swiss Army Knife wiki page if you want to find out more about this particular knife. This exact knife I got on eBay. And so it was from somebody overseas in, I want to say, Switzerland. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can also let me know down there. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.